Hi all, welcome to UPSC Simplified. So let's start with the pre-series. Today's day 3 and let's discuss the 10 important pre-questions. Who among the following road categories has the highest percentage of total road length in India? So it's national highways, B is state highways, C is district roads, and D is rural roads. So answer to this question is D, that is rural roads. About 80% of the total road length in India are categorized as rural roads. Second question is, with reference to modern agriculture, truck farming refers to uses of heavy machinery for plowing and distribution of seeds. B is specialized vegetable farming. C is livestock farming in specialized stalls or pens. D is specialized grape cultivation. So the answer of this question is B. The reason where farmers specialize in vegetables, the farming is known as truck farming. Third question, which among the following sea routes is known as the Big Trunk Route? A is Cape of Good Hope Sea Route. B is Mediterranean Indian Ocean Sea Route. C is Northern Atlantic Sea Route. D is North Pacific Sea Route. So answer here is C, Northern Atlantic Sea Route. Links northern eastern USA and northern western Europe. Even they can ask this point also. India's biggest global skill park will be set up in which city? Bhopal, Lucknow, Guwahati, Rajkot. So the answer for this question is A, Bhopal. The Doba Andheri Tiger Reserve is located in which state? So I think from Andheri you can mention this is Maharashtra. So answer is C, Maharashtra. Girija Devi, who passed away recently, was a renowned classical singer of which ghrana? I think she passed away last week. That's why I have included this question. So she was from Senia and Banaras ghranas, Gwalior and Kriana ghranas, Atroli and Senia ghranas, or none of the above. So answer for this question is A, Senia and Banaras ghranas. Girija Devi, the veteran Indian classical singer of the Senia and Banaras ghranas, has passed away in Kolkata, West Bengal. She was known as Thumri Queen. So this question also can be asked, who is known as Thumri Queen? So the answer will be Girija Devi. In ecology, commensalism is where one organism benefits, the other unaffected. Both organisms gain. One organism benefits and other is harmed. Both the organisms are harmed. So the answer for this question is A, one organism benefits, the other unaffected. I think this is in 8th or 9th science book. This is very basic question of ecology. National Institute of Solar Energy set up under which ministry? So it is Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Finance, none of the above. So answer this question is A, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Under the administrative control of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy at Gwal Pahadi Village, District Gurgaon, Haryana. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development was established in 1964, 65, 66, 67. This is very basic question, but I think I've seen recently UPSC asking one or two very basic questions, and the same is the case with the state civil service examinations. So answer for this question is A, 1964. Very important question, Blue Whale, declaring the Blue Whale online game a threat to life. Supreme Court directed which of the broadcaster to start a educational program about the dangers of the online game? So it is Doordarshan, All India Radio, all newspapers, or all schools. So answer this is A, Doordarshan. Thanks a lot all. Please subscribe to this channel. You will have 10 very important pre-questions every day, and on top of that we have already started mains GS series, where I'm going to put 2 to 3 questions every day with all the answers, all the explanation, and that will be discussed in a story format or with the images, so that can you can easily remember all the points. Thanks a lot. Thank you.